10 best settings in Delta Force Mobile that will make you a pro. Are you looking to rack up more kills? Check out these 10 pro settings in Delta Force Mobile, starting with close range combat. A major hurdle in racking up kills is your weapon's delay. Pressing fire doesn't shoot until your scope is fully zoomed. To eliminate that downtime, open basic settings and turn on Quick Adds and Fire. With Quick Adds and Fire active, your gun fires immediately while scoping in. Next, let's tackle another weapon hiccup with settings number 2. When you first start playing this game, you'll notice that you lose a lot of fights because there's no way to shoot after you start reloading. Even if you press the adds button, your weapon will still continue to reload. To fix this, go back to basic settings and find Reload Interrupt by Firing. By default, this is off. Set it to Hybrid. By changing it to Hybrid, you can cancel the reload by clicking the fire button or even reload the button. Let's move on to settings number 3. Normally, when you're fighting, your whole body is exposed, meaning there's a high chance you'll die. But you can expose only half your body by using a movement called peeking. You can peek from walls or cover without having to worry about getting killed. To do this, go to Settings, find Lean Peek and turn it on. You'll see 2 new buttons on your screen that you can use to lean. Even more powerful than peeking is diving. This hidden movement lets you dive by holding the crouch button. By default, crouch makes you go prone instead of diving. To fix this, go to Control Settings and turn on Dive. Now, if you press and hold the crouch button, you will dive forward. You can even combine this diving movement with the next setting to make your gameplay even more aggressive. The next setting is your Field of View or FOV. If you're using the default FOV of 70, your game looks narrow. Increase your FOV to 100 in settings to see more of the map on your screen, making your gameplay feel more aggressive and giving you more confidence. The next setting is going to make enemies more visible, especially those hiding in shadows. Go to Graphics and Sound tab, find Graphic Style and change it to Vivid. You'll see your game looks different and you'll spot enemies more clearly. Even if your game looks better, lag from connection will still make you lose matches. There is an app called Gear Booster that reduces your lag by connecting you to a better server. Gear Booster is an official partner of Delta Force Mobile and the game recommends you to use it. And that covers all 10 pro settings. If you found this video useful, make sure to hit the like button and subscribe for more videos like this.